Good morning. It is day 2 of the Sephora Savings Event. I am here in Las Vegas at the Town Square Sephora and I'm meeting Michelle Wong over here. So this should be really fun. I need so much stuff. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are here for the first time, my name is Lori Hill, and on this channel we talk about skincare, makeup, and all things related to beauty. Please stay and subscribe. I think you're gonna love it here. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about my Sephora haul. Now I paused before I say Sephora haul because it might not be my last one because there's just so much good stuff. And as a Rouge member, I'm like, okay, I'm getting a discount anyway, so I should just get everything I ever wanted. The Sephora sale started on April 4th and it goes until I believe the 14th. And please look down below and see the different tier levels and how and when you can shop. It's in my description box. If you're shopping online, make sure to use the code SAVEMORE to apply your discount. There's so many great products and they're all on sale. So I'm sure most of you can shop the sale, and you can even become a beauty insider and immediately get 10% off. So look in my description box to see how you qualify. First, I'm going to tell you about kind of how it went. So I met up with my friend Michelle Wong. A lot of you know her. She is this amazing and talented YouTuber who has a luxury makeup channel. Yes, it is the beautiful Michelle Wong in the wild. Here she is in the wild. Look at this. Look at this look from head to toe. It's so chic.
Bright and summery.
And so I met up with her and we both decided to vlog the event. We both bust out our cameras when we got into Sephora and we started kind of recording the whole span of the store, and wouldn't you know it, we were probably being too obvious because right away a Sephora sales associate came up to us and said, I'm so sorry, you could buy whatever you want, you can stay, but you cannot record. And so we were like, oh shoot, at least I felt like, I'm like, why was I so obvious? Because I was literally like holding my camera on this stick and I was going like this. And so, I don't know, that was kind of dumb of me. But anyways, we did very stealthily record ourselves with our phones instead. So you will see some footage of some of the things that I bought, some of the things that I was considering throughout this video. But let me show you what I actually got. Let's start off with these Dr. Jart masks. So I was looking at like this area where, you know, Dr. Jart and the ceramide and lotions were the ones that I recommended in my first Sephora video. And I was just standing there thinking, wow, I don't want to be caught recording this, but this is so freaking cute, right? It would make such a good thumbnail. This is the Cryo Rubber Brightening Mask Illuminator. And this is the Cryo Rubber Moisture Mask. So this one is for moisture, this one is for brightening. So as I'm looking at these, I'm thinking to myself, I really hope no one thinks I'm recording, because I also have my phone out. And then right as I'm thinking this, a sales associate comes up to me and she starts chatting me up, telling me about these masks and how, you know, they work so well, yada, yada, yada. And then I was like, okay, still don't want her to think I'm recording. So I'm like, okay. And by this point I have like a full basket. In my mind, I was thinking, did somebody send her? Like, is she really maybe not in this area, but someone like radioed to her to make sure to come over and make sure I wasn't recording? Like, I actually had this thought. So I already have like this guilty complex for no reason, because I wasn't doing the previous recording, you know? So I end up like talking to her and she's like, well, I can check you out. Let me check you out, you know? And I'm like, oh, I'm not done yet. I have to go see my friend because she's shopping with me. She's like, go get her. And so I was like, okay, I went and got Michelle. And I was like, you need to come over here because I really think this sales agent thinks that I'm about to start recording. So she wants to check me out so I can get the hell out of the store, right? So Michelle comes over. I was thinking I still wanted to look around a little. Michelle's like, you could just do it after we check out. I'm like, okay, yeah. So we both ended up checking out. So these masks, I mean, they're kind of reasonably priced. And what she said is like, it's like an infusion of vitamin C all over your face. And then this one is for moisture. And we talked about how important it is to really seal in moisture when you live in a dry climate. I live in the desert. I don't know where you live. Let me know in the comments below. But even something like having your air conditioning on can really dry out your skin. So when I'm sleeping at night, always with a humidifier, always. And when I'm using hyaluronic acid, it's usually at night, and it's always with a humidifier and an occlusive agent. So an occlusive agent is something like Aquaphor that you put all over your face at the end of your nighttime skin routine to really seal in and hold the moisture. I'm really excited to try these. I can't recommend them yet, but I love Dr. Jart. I love the ceramiding moisturizer. This protects the skin barrier. It's a great occlusive agent for when you go outside. Before you put on your sunscreen, you're gonna put this on, and again, you can put it on at night over all of the rest of the serums you use at night for your nighttime skin routine. So versatile, really recommend this cream. I went to get another one of these, and as luck would have it, there were no more. And I didn't really pause to see if they had any in the back, but I am gonna go back. And I wanted to talk about this because I also have another eye cream that is $200 and over, and it also contains a proprietary agent. And I noticed that, and I hate to say this, but the eye creams that just really work, they tend to be $200 and over. So if you've been thinking about it, now would be the time to kind of pull the trigger during the Sephora sale. So this is the Augustina's Vader Eye Cream, and I will have everything linked down below. Next, I got more of the Luna Night Oil. I love this oil. This is an amazing serum. It contains a lighter retinol than, for example, tretinoin. So if you can't use tretinoin, or if you have very sensitive skin and you need to cycle your tretinoin, or maybe we're in the summertime or a time where it's really sunny and you don't want to use a stronger retinol, this is your product. It also has other ingredients like pansy extract that really help with smoothing the appearance of wrinkles, but just more gradually, so you're not like tearing your skin apart and it's peeling and it's fallen off. You're not going to get any of that with this, but at the same time, it's really effective, and it's really good on your neck too if you want a retinol for your neck and you don't want to use tretinoin. You can use tretinoin on your neck, but say you didn't want to use Retin-A or tretinoin on your neck, this is the perfect gentle night oil. So highly recommend this by Sunday Riley, available at Sephora. So everyone who watched my first Sephora video, this is the second purchase of the Dr. Dennis Gross Lift and Repair Eye Mask. I really love this mask. It is so chock full of nutrients and lyosol, and it's all delivered in a biodegradable mask, which is also very important to me. You want this to be able to recycle well. What I've noticed when I've worn this, more hydration under my eyes, more of a plumping effect under my eyes. My eyes are my trouble area. So this is a great simple mask that you can also try. It really fills in my fine lines. So if you have that issue like I do, you may want to give this a go. Another interesting encounter I had with a different sales associate. I went to go get the polyproteiny peptide by Drunk Elephant, and instead I got the Bora Barrier Repair Cream. This is also by Drunk Elephant, and there was a sales agent standing next to it, and I said, hey, can you tell me a little bit about this? And she said, she's like, this is their newest cream. It has copper peptides in it. She says she really, really loves the Drunk Elephant polyproteiny peptide cream, but she likes this one better. So I decided to give it a try. I'll let you guys all know how it goes. It got great reviews online, so there's that. I also love products with copper peptides. It usually gives this immediate lifting effect to wherever you use it. This one you can use it nighttime or daytime. So I will let you know how it goes. I will link it down below. It's the newest product by Drunk Elephant. Last but not least, these Dr. Dennis Gross peeling masks. Now I decided to go up on the formula. This is their highest strength formula, and it contains two sections. I'll show you. This is the alpha beta peel. It has this side and then this side, and they're both extra strength daily peels. Now I use these about 1 to 2 times a week on my neck, But since this one is extra strength for wrinkles and for anti-aging, I'm thinking about using it on my face here and there, and I'll let you know how it goes. Now, the regular Dr. Dennis Gross mask actually peels, the orange brand, which I'll link down below too, are extremely effective on your neck. I love using it as a neck exfoliator and making my neck look more youthful. So I'm excited to try these. I'll let you know how it goes. That's all I got from the Sephora sale. You guys, there will be more Sephora videos because I just had so much fun filming this. Let me know what you've bought so far at the Sephora sale. Please go watch my first Sephora video. And thank you so much to Michelle Wong for being in this video. Thank you all, and please go watch my last video, and I'll see you all next time. Love you. Bye.
Bye.